Your neighbor's cats will be gone like that with this trick. Always finding your neighbor's cats in your garden. This cat-friendly trick will keep them away. Even though we all love animals, we're not always fans of other people's cats doing their business in our gardens. Luckily, there's a handy and animal-friendly trick for this. Cat trouble. Cats are wonderful and cute animals, of course, but they're a bit less cute when they pee, poo, and dig all over your garden. This can cause a lot of trouble for you and your garden, so you might be looking for some tips to help prevent this. Because we're animal lovers, we don't like the idea of scaring off cats with chemicals or nasty methods that aren't animal friendly. We believe keeping cats out of your garden can also be done in a natural way. Scents. There are several ways to discourage cats from coming into your garden that are in no way harmful to the cat, but do get the required result. For instance, cats don't like certain scents, which means you can use them to keep them out. Methods. After asking around for a bit, we found out that a lot of people have trouble with neighborhood cats in their gardens. Some people love seeing those cute animals wandering around their garden, but other people would rather chase them away immediately. Everybody has their own method for this as well. The most common method seems to be trying to scare the cat by yelling at it or waving your arms. Others go outside with a glass of water to try to pour it over the cat. Of course, those methods don't have the desired result. Some people get so frustrated that they end up in the newspaper because they tried shooting at the cats. That's not what we want. So we've got a few tips for you instead. Cats don't like the smells of vinegar and citrus peel. So you can keep cats out of your garden pretty easily by putting bowls of vinegar or citrus peels in various places around the garden, in particular those places the cat likes to visit. The cat will then definitely stay away from those places. Another thing cats hate is cayenne pepper, so it may be worth scattering a generous amount of cayenne pepper in places the cat likes to visit. Then again, this may cause the cat to start sneezing violently, which makes us feel a bit sorry for it. If you don't have any of these products at home and don't feel like going to the supermarket, you could also try using garlic, ground coffee, or chili pepper. Did you know about these natural cat-resistant tips?